your eyes. I don't know what you did to me, but every time I look at you, the whole world disappears. I found 1,000 stars tonight, but none of them could shine like you. The city fades beneath the lights when I'm standing next to you. There's something hiding in your eyes, a story I can feel but never read. And every time you look at mine, you say the words I never said. Stay right here, don't walk away. Let me get lost in you today. If love is a dream, then let me dream, 'cause you're the only place I wanna be. I love your eyes, the way they pull me into the night. I lose myself every time you look at me, like you're the only truth I need. I love your eyes, they hold 1,000 silent skies. And if I could live one moment forever, I'd spend it looking into your eyes. Oh, your eyes. Oh, your eyes. I could stay here all my life, lost inside your eyes.
Your voice feels like a midnight song. Your touch makes all my fears disappear. I spent so long looking for home, then somehow I found it here. You don't have to promise forever, you don't have to say my name. Just hold me underneath the moonlight and let the silence speak again.
Stay right here, don't let me go. There's something only we both know. Maybe love was never meant to hurt. Maybe I found you at my perfect time. I love your eyes, the way they pull me into the night. I lose myself every time you look at me, like you're the only truth I need. I love your eyes, they hold 1,000 silent skies. And if I could live one moment forever, I'd spend it looking into your eyes.
If my heart had a language,
It would speak your name.
if my soul had a window,
I'd show you every pain.
and if the stars stopped shining,
I still know where to go.
I'd follow the light in your eyes.
Anywhere you wanna take me home. I love your eyes more than these words could ever describe. You turn my darkest nights into something beautiful and alive. I love your eyes, my favorite place beneath the sky. And if tomorrow takes everything away, I'll still remember how you looked at me tonight. Your eyes, I found my home in your eyes. And if love has a face, I swear it looks like you.